Hey guys, we've got some short and sweet info for you today to help grow your presence on social media. If you've been around for any length of time, you know we're big advocates of video marketing. Videos bring in 66% more qualified leads and they're consumers' favorite type of content, specifically on social media. Knowing what kind of video to produce can be tricky if you're not taking a few things into consideration. Consider the audience you're talking to. We all have different ways of interpreting information, and so does your audience. Doing your research on your target audience for a specific piece of content is so crucial to making sure your message is delivered and understood. Pay attention to what's trending. We're not saying to jump on screen and do dances or anything unprofessional, but trends are an important piece in maximizing growth. Whether that's social media trends like Reels and vertical videos, or educating your audience on trends within your area such as changes in rates.